Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about two Physicians Formula gift sets. Now these have a retail value of $60 a piece, so that's $120. And on the Physicians Formula website, I got these for $14.95. So it's a $120 value for 30 bucks essentially, which is a super good deal. It's a super steal. So we have this one right here, which has all of the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip. Has every single shade in here. Plus it has an exclusive the Healthy Lip Transformer, which makes it a like really pretty iridescent like glossy look on top of all of these. Did on my Instagram a swatch of all of these colors. If you want to go and see all of the Healthy Lips swatched, and then go to my Instagram, it's at BreeLink17. I'll have it linked down below. That is one of these, which is an awesome gift to give somebody if they're really into liquid lipsticks, and then if they really want to play around with like a glossy lip as well. And all of these shades really suit any skin tone. It's a really versatile gift to give somebody. Now the second one that I have, it comes with the Physicians Formula Rosé All Day. This is like an oil-free serum. It's really nice and like hydrating on the skin. It has like a rosy pearlescent glow to it, and it smells exactly like roses. It smells amazing. So this is just a really good like serum to put on your face. And then the second thing that it comes in is this Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This is a dupe for the Becca primer that looks exactly like this. And then it comes with a Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls. Now this is kind of like a finishing powder. It gives your skin a really nice sheen to it. It reminds me a lot of the Hourglass powder. So this would be a really good dupe for that as well. And it also comes with a Color Curbs mascara, which is really nice. It reminds me a lot of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It has the same kind of wand to it. And then it comes with a Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip in the shade Fight Free Red-icals. This is my favorite Healthy Lip from them. It's super beautiful. It has that nice holiday red shade to it. I'm obsessed. So this again would be a really good gift to give somebody if they're into makeup, or if they're just starting out in makeup and they want to like play around with some stuff. So this right here is another good deal. And it also comes with a little bonus makeup bag as well. It's a really good size. You can fit all of your little goodies in here. So that's all I have for today's video. I know it was a short one, but I figured that I would just pop on here really quick and give you a couple different gift giving options since the holidays are rolling around. And these are really cheap and inexpensive, and you get a great value for it. I know that I would love to get something like this. That's why I bought these for myself, and it's a really good way to play with some of these products. You get all these little sample sizes. That way you can try it before you go and purchase the big size. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!